Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for optimal compatibility. Power on your Apple Watch Ultra by pressing and holding the flat side button until the Apple logo appears. Then, bring your Apple Watch very close, within a few inches, to your unlocked iPhone. This proximity will automatically prompt the pairing process to begin on your iPhone screen, making the initial setup straightforward and quick. Once the pairing prompt appears on your iPhone, tap Continue. You'll then see an animated pattern on your Apple Watch. Hold your iPhone over the watch, aligning the pattern within the viewfinder on your phone's screen. This will automatically pair the devices. If the automatic pairing doesn't work, simply tap Pair manually on your iPhone and follow the simple on-screen instructions to enter a 6-digit code displayed on your watch. After successful pairing, you'll be prompted to set up your Apple Watch. You can choose to restore from a recent backup if you've had an Apple Watch before, or set it up as a brand new device. Next, review and agree to the terms and conditions. You'll then customize essential settings like text size, create a secure passcode, and enable important health and activity tracking features, ensuring your watch is tailored to your personal preferences and needs. Finally, your Apple Watch Ultra will begin synchronizing data from your iPhone. This process might take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once synchronization is complete, your watch is ready to use. Explore the comprehensive Watch app on your iPhone to further customize watch faces, notifications, and app layouts. Your Apple Watch Ultra is now fully connected and prepared to enhance your daily life with its advanced features and capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.